Hi friends, today I want to discuss regarding multiple source of income and single source of income because I just know I gone through a video related to that and I thought some points are there which I can share with you people which may benefit some at least who are in need or give some insights into that topic and it would be ignorant to think that there should be a stable income given the corona situation. Many people have been shaken for the past many months. But at the same time, there are many people who have stable income through various sources, real estate or finance or like fixed deposits or secure jobs. If you have any such sources, it's okay. But over the last few months, they should have made you realize that if you are financially unstable, you need to take some action. Either you need to take up some new courses which are going to emerge in the future over the next 5 years, 10 years, or upskill yourself or improve your investments towards secure investment, good yield, return yielding investments. And I personally also have tried share market, digital marketing, network marketing, real estate, insurance, teaching, drawing, so many things. And one more thing is we need to find where we are much comfortable. And among all those things, I feel much comfortable in network marketing because I am from medical background and I have an interest in that field, health sector. I can understand and what are the requirements for the network marketing field. I feel more comfortable and I'm building in that way. So similarly, anyone who you need to find your niche and you need to build yourself in that particular area until you are able to become expert and able to command good amount of money where people are ready to pay for your skills how much you want. That is one part. Another thing is, should we focus on one stream of income or multiple stream of incomes? So as I said, in one particular field, if you are able to reach the position of commanding position, so you keep on improving, either that is a business or job. So what I have learned from many people, I am sharing my thoughts with you. So once you are able to reach that position, then keep aside at least 40% of your money into investments, whatever you are able to generate. That will help you in the future. It's not only just generating, how much you are investing and how much you are saving, how much you are in time and amount of money you are investing in upgrading yourself. That is also very important. And if you are not in such a position, you have to definitely look for some alternative sources also, part time. Like for example, I am doing network marketing, wastage business. Whatever you feel comfortable. I have a friend who is earning short selling shares. He is able to get his pocket money, and some other people are there who are doing different part-time businesses, real estate and so on. So whatever you are comfortable, try to build on that. I myself am trying to, I always try to build myself in this field, network marketing and vested business. Keep on learning about the products and business, cosmetics, health products business, and what are the factors which we need to focus on: personal grooming or team building or dealing with people, public speaking. And I have learned many things after I entered this company. If you are interested and if you find the video useful, please subscribe and share in your WhatsApp group and Facebook groups. And I invite you to join in my team into the Vestige business. You can find my number in the description box below. And any field, whatever you are comfortable, you have to find a tribe of your own. This is always important. There is nothing like good company only. There is no monopoly. There are many banks. Any business, there are many. Any field like bakery, hotel, clothes, cosmetics, everything. There are many businesses, right? So we need to find some learning area, and we need to keep on building ourselves, focusing to improve ourselves. What are the resources available? What are the resources we can deploy? We can learn, and keep on developing in this field. For you to grow, company is providing a lot of resources. Definitely, mostly you don't need to pay anything most of the time in the Vestige business, and you'll be very healthy when you're using supplements also. It will help you in that reduce the cost of your health investments. There are so many products to take care of you, and you can focus on your building your skills. Last 2 days I met a student, like a lab technician, completed student, and he is very promising, and I hope he will become a great leader in my team. And I met a nurse, and I met a shop owner. So like that I'm trying to meet people, and I am able to like explain and about the business. It's not like just we have to be able to play the game above the game of averages. Like we are told, play the game 1 in 10 people will join. It's not just 1 in 10. We should be able to find those 10 people who are better, how the conversion rate becomes more accurate. You just cannot force everyone to come and join. You have to learn to filter and find the people who are really interested. And you can, some people will not be interested. You can just leave them you can ask them to refer their friends or families, relatives who are interested, who need the products and the business. So that way it will help you to get some leads, and you will not be in a negative position. Some people we meet, they already have some uh, negative impressions, negative impacts because of the network business they did previously. So they don't come forward because they remind of their old failures. So just leave them. At least you should understand that you made them aware that you are in this business. That's what you should realize, and ask them to refer someone. And if they want, they can use the products and become a consumer under you. It will help you for regular business consistency offers. And try to keep finding who are the best people, who are very much interested in the business to grow. Think big, work hard, work smart, constantly learn. We need to keep on find learning and searching for these people. It's like for one diamond we need to dig tons and tons of sand, soil. We need to unearth so many hills, is it not? It's not so easy. We need to work on ourselves to improve, and we need to work on finding the right people. As you grow, other people will come, other people will be attracted, and based on your commitment, people will start coming. I have seen many successful leaders before my eyes who have built great empires for themselves. So we have to learn, we have to be patient. So that's why once again we need to build multiple source of income. It is very important. If your main source of income is not very strong, and for both of us, like having one source of income or multiple source of income, we need to see that money is generated passively in the long run. You cannot keep on working hard. There is a lot of life. The time you have is very short in your life. There is a lot of world you need to visit. As a part of business, vestige business, you will have 9 types of income, and you will travel the world twice a year. You will have car fund, house fund, passive income, everything, recognition, social recognition, because you are going to help a lot of people. So everything is planned within vestige business plan. So no need to worry. For others, they have to keep these points in mind and build their empire, so they can achieve all these things and make their life holistic, happy. It's not, life is not just living yourself. You should be able to help at least 10 families to live. That's what I feel. uh, how much you grow, if you're not able to help others live happily, meet their requirements, I don't think it's success. It's a success. At the same time, without taking care of yourself financial and in all aspects, don't be crazy to help others. First, it's very important to take care of you, your family, your relatives, your friends, whatever, whom you come across, whatever percentage you can do, then only. So there are both types of people who just go and without taking care of their responsibility, they go and help others. And there are people who just only take care of themselves and their family and ignore the world. So I think it's enough. So I wish you all fantastic life. Wish you change your shop, change your life. Wish you health and wealth. Vestige. I hope you join me in my Vestige team. Thank you all.